These are electric motorcycle. So yes, with electric motorcycle, you don't need to worry again about fuel. And the best part of this all is you don't have to wait to charge it. Yes, you heard me clearly. You don't need to wait to charge it. All you need to do is just to swap and you're good to go. Let me show you something magical. Tycorun has created a smart battery swapping cabinet that enables riders to swap their batteries in minutes. Normally, when the battery is low, riders will have to stop and wait for their bike to charge. But with the smart swapping cabinet, all the rider needs to do is scan and exchange his low battery into the cabinet to get a new fully charged battery, and he's good to go. No fuel needed and no need of waiting. Tycorun has created the smart battery cabinet to make everything easy for riders to ride smoothly without any panic. No fuel, no waiting, no stress, just swap and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.